Listen carefully. This message is not random. It is not an accident that you are hearing these words right now. I see the weight you have been carrying in silence, the prayers you whispered when no one was watching, the tears you wiped away before anyone noticed. You have been asking me, God, are you still with me? Do you see how hard this is? Have I been forgotten? Hear me clearly today. You have not been forgotten. You have not been overlooked, and you are not walking alone. There are moments when I am quiet, not because I am absent, but because I am working in ways you cannot yet see. You wanted instant answers, but I am building lasting strength. You asked for relief, but I am preparing transformation. What feels like delay is not denial. What feels like silence is not abandonment. I am teaching you to trust me, even when the path is unclear. You have been standing at the edge of doubt, wondering if you should keep going, wondering if your effort even matters, wondering if obedience is worth the sacrifice. I want you to know this time. Every step you took in faith mattered. Every time you chose kindness instead of bitterness mattered. Every time you kept believing when it was hard. Nothing you did in faith was wasted. I see your consistency when results were slow. I see your integrity when shortcuts were tempting. I see your patience when frustration tried to take over. And I am proud of you. Do not compare your journey with others. What I am doing in you is unique. Some paths are longer because the calling is greater. Some seasons are harder because the reward is deeper. Stop measuring your progress by what others show on the outside. I am working on the inside, where real change begins. You are growing, even if you don't feel it yet. You are healing, you are moving forward, even when it feels slow. Trust my timing. There are doors I am keeping closed for your protection. There are people I am removing for your peace. There are delays I am allowing to align everything perfectly. If I opened every door you asked for, you would walk into battles you were not ready to fight. I know what is ahead. You only see what is now. That is why I ask you to trust me. Release the fear you've been holding on to. Release the guilt from past mistakes. Release the pressure to have everything figured out. You don't need to know every step. You only need to take the next one with me. I am closer than you think. I hear every prayer, even the ones you couldn't put into words. I understand your confusion. I understand your exhaustion. Rest in me. You don't have to prove your worth. You don't have to earn my love. You don't have to be perfect for me to use you. I chose you knowing your flaws. I called you knowing your past. I stay with you knowing your struggles. You are still my child. And let me tell you something important today. What you are facing right now will not defeat you. This challenge is shaping you, not breaking you. This pressure is strengthening you, not destroying you. This season is temporary, even if it feels long. Joy is coming, clarity is coming, restoration is coming. But first, remain faithful. Keep praying even when answers feel delayed. Keep believing even when circumstances disagree. Keep walking even when your strength feels low. I will carry you. One day you will look back and realize that the very moment you thought I was silent was the moment I was doing my deepest work. And you will say, now I understand. Until then, walk by faith. Lean on me. Trust my heart. You are loved more than you know. And yes, my precious children, When you reach out to help the poor and the helpless, you touch my soul and become one with my spirit. Please scan this and donate at least $5 so I can extend your kindness to those who are suffering and in need. My beloved children, never forget, God is always with you, my child.